So this is Jingdong Mall, and this is one of the lab. So they make so many good PCs here. So this PC has a 9800X 3D with 7900 XTX, and it looks absolutely stunning if you look at that. And then next up we have a massive 55-inch monitor, a 9800X 3D signed by the CEO of AMD actually. So 9800X 3D signed by the CEO as well, so that's really cool. And here we have a 011 Vision Compact with a 5080 and 9800X 3D. Looks absolutely stunning. I mean, you see all the free fans, you have full glass coverage. Just looks amazing. Look at all that, just looks amazing. And then amazing monitor and setup, keyboard and mouse, just looks all amazing. And the PC components like 5080s everywhere, 1250 watt power supplies, made GPUs. You've got everything here. You've got B850i motherboard. This is a really good mini ITX motherboard as well. You've got so much 5070 Ti's everywhere as well. You've got Aero 5070 Ti's, 5080s as well. So amazing. X870 motherboards. So I mean, you've got even more PCs here with 5080s and 9950X 3Ds. This one has 14600K and a 5080 and looks absolutely stunning. I mean, if you look at all of these, they all look really cool. This one has also a 9950X 3D and looks amazing with the curved AIO as well. I mean, this is just China. Oh, look at these fans as well. I've got the temperatures and stuff in there. It looks amazing. Got somebody building the PC. Got even more PCs, just more and more. I mean, if you look at this one, that's another 5080. Just looks amazing. It's really amazing here. 7900 XTX. It's got more anime. Keyboards everywhere. Look at that. This place is just amazing. Look at this PC. This one's a 9070 XT and looks like this. Isn't that amazing? Look at this one as well. It's amazing. Amazing place this is. Look at this one. This is 5070. Looks amazing.